So we're here at the Petersen Automotive Museum, and we're here for All Kids Bike. That's an awesome charity that gets kids riding bikes in elementary school. So we're going to head down to the vault, build some bikes, and then take them to a school and get some kids riding. Let's go.
The All Kids Bike program is part of a campaign to try and get every kid in America on a bike by teaching them how to ride in kindergarten PE. Very few kids are riding bikes anymore. 75% of kids in America won't ride a bike even one time this year. Just a great way for them to experience some personal mobility and freedom and independence that will hopefully inspire them to be enthusiasts for life.
It's such a foundational thing growing up that you would think that everyone would know how to ride a bike. So these projects are really beautiful. It's really refreshing to see such a simple but powerful project like this.
Nowadays, kids do many other things, but not cycling. They don't have the space or, being a little more on top of a machine like that and adventures and smiles. That it's awesome.
Because they go outside, they learn mechanics, they're physically fit. It just changes their dynamic from the time they're little. And I think that's special, and I think our world needs that.
It is about equity. It is about giving our students the opportunity, not some students, but all students. So it really promotes not only their social emotional well-being, but also their physical well-being and also their academics.
Kids, they get exercise, they fall in love with bicycling, they get to get out and have their freedom. I don't think we can lose with this.
It's real easy. If you go to our website, allkidsbike.org, you can donate $10, or you can adopt a whole school. So we'll take any and all help that we can get. And we loaded up the van and ran them over to a local elementary school. So Marvin Elementary here in Los Angeles received the program, and all their kids from this time forward that come through kindergarten will learn how to ride a bike. And then this afternoon we'll deliver another program over to 6th Avenue Elementary School.